Alright, welcome back to our book formatting proper. We have done the arrangement. So what you want to do in this chapter is how to put your table of content in order. Okay, before putting your table of content, I believe we put all our and titles, okay, all our chapters in heading 1. So you need to do that before you can achieve this table of content. Now if your book does not have this table of content, Amazon will not accept it. That is the essence, and this is the last thing you're going to do after you have formatted your book, okay, is to put the table of content. Now to do that, double click 2 times, use your hand to zoom out. Remember, it's on print layout. Then let it be closed, then enter. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is to click on this plus. All right, click on this plus, click on link. You want to link all those pages, okay, all those chapters, so that if person click from the table of content, it will direct them to the chapter they are reading. Okay, so then instead of going to find the chapter in the book, so that is the essence of this. Click on headings. That is why I put heading 1. The first one is introduction. Click on introduction, click on good. You will get something like this. Is it making sense? You can see it's highlighted blue. Then you click on enter, you click on plus, you click on link, and you click on heading. The next one is getting started. Click on it, click on good. You can see, so enter, plus, link, headings. Next one is recipe. Click on good. This is how you arrange your table of content. Enter, plus, link, then launch. Good. I seen it. So the book is making a lot of sense now. So link, we are launch. So dinner. Good. Okay, click on enter. Make sure you don't join it. Enter before you enter plus link and hashtags. Then you go to snacks and recipe. Good. Then you enter. Anyhow it is, let all your table of content be in one page, no matter how your page is long. That's why you should know the text size you use. Heading this side. Good. Let all your table of content be in one page. Enter. It makes your book look more professional. Let all of them. If it's too much, you copy or reduce the size. You copy all the table of content and reduce the size, but make sure it's on the same page, on one page. Okay, so we are in this as link, headings, then we are in what this as beverage. Okay, we have entered this as enter plus. I believe you already know this pattern because this thing is not hard. Then after this is enter, then we are in conclusion. You can see heading go down to conclusion. Good. Now you can see our book is well arranged. Now if I go ahead and click on any of these, for instance, I want to go to somebody's reading your page and they want to in the Kindle version, and they want to go to conclusion. If they just click on, they just tap this conclusion now, boom, to take them to the conclusion of your page. I see it. That is the benefit of that. Let me go up again. Now this is it. If I want to go to breakfast, if I just tap this, the breakfast, it will take me to breakfast chapter. I see it. So that is the beauty of the table of content, and this should be after you have formatted your book. Now another thing you want to do, this table of content text, you can leave it like this, so it's fine, but me, I normally copy only hit only the table of content text. So want to make it more cinematic. Click on this A, click on text, put it at heading, then area, you can use any design. I normally use a one fine design. Let me see, this is fine, but let me use one stylish one. I used to use this Pacifico, something like this. Then I will now put it, and I increase the text to 30, because that is the size of my heading. Then I will now make it bold, and I will now centralize it. Bam. Now let's look at how it is now. I say my table of content. Is this book not amazing? This is amazing. I seen it. So my book has finished. My book has finished. Now, what I normally do, I normally add a text. I normally add an image to this front page to make the book look more appealing. Okay, so now you can save your book. Your book is good for upload. Once it's like this, you're good to go. But if you want to learn how to add text, image, okay, like I showed us in the previous, I'll be doing that. Okay, so we'll be designing an image that we can use. So to design that image, let's copy. Okay, so this is all for book formatting. This is all for book formatting. So like this now, you're good to go. Like this, you're good to go. I believe that is well explained. So you can see all my table of content is in one page. After that, copyright page, and the book starts from page 3. So that is that for that. Okay,